And it ends up with Navarro. Forward pass. CBC. That's a block. Recovery. Carl Brian Cruz still misses. And there's that follow. Off of his stint with Adamson University. He won't be back in the UAP anymore. But we are happy to have him here as Mark Yee scores. Paulo Castro. Now rocking his bangs. Short on the jump shot. Second try. Mark Yee. In and out and in as a Paulo. 8 seconds. Off the switch. Yee trying to seal. Castro attacks. No foul. There's the glass. Offensive in his own coaching style as Hanapi misfires from downtown.
Oh, you know what I like with that report is the point that yung ang
ABC misses inside.
Oo. And
Nice pass. Oduba. He will finish. And Parañaque will ride on with their momentum. Philip Manalang, he's been splendid so far. There's the drive.
Great
and
pass.
the bounce. And here's Didat Hanapi. Only a couple of weeks in with this lineup of Manila. Inside they go. Raba Al-Husseini scores.
about resurrection. Diba? If this guy resurrects in the MPBL, imagine.
Oh, Mark Yee. No. And bothered by Yee. No foul. Parañaque on the run. Philip Manalang.
Great
Nice
pass.
pass. Jandre Villanueva. Umali.
Reunion pala to ni JP Saraw and Philip Manalang, no?
Right. They were both with Nueva Ecija, but Saraw left earlier. Umali's not from the UAP.
Yeah, we have John Hamon is from EAC. Umali is from LPU.
And this guy is a fill-out, DJ Mitchell.
Malapit eh. So
Malapit
most
sila dito.
so most likely baka
Let's see. Or maybe Sid can ask him about that as John Ray Villanueva. We've seen some great flashes already from DJ in this game. Here he is. Look at the confidence of the guy. DJ Mitchell from down.
MPBL.
4 seconds, that's a steal. JP Saraw has time. Will he beat the buzzer? Yes! What a... Is that the guy from Ateneo as well?
Oo naman.
Mr. Porter. That's Chris Porter. For everybody's information, John Hamon, professional. Olegario asking for it. How about this guy? With a lot of confidence.
I think mas malaking responsibility niya.
Yeah,
Compared na when he's still with the Nueva Ecija organization.
He can't afford to waste away those fouls as Paulo Habbenona answers. Could have shot that ball. 10 on the shot clock. Mark Yee. And there you go. And now he just stopped CBC. And there you go, he's 5 out of 5.
Oo, and in that spot, and this guy also.
Jello Razon from downtown. We're back with Jello Razon, who's now defended by Francis Escandor. Jello saw daylight. That's his third.
Parañaque,
Kick out. Razon, he checked. Short.
Yeah, that short.
Great effort on the glass. Oduba. There's that second shot. Back with Manila.
Oh, we don't see that number usually, you know?
Usually 77.
77.
As now Raba. Parañaque slowing things down. Jello Razon. Yes, sir. Asking for it. Two-man game. He didn't use the screen. Cross court.
This is where you can tell if a team has a chemistry already.
Oh my goodness.
In that post na inikot yung bola.
And that resulted onto their 15th assist in this game. More importantly, it's now a 20-point lead. Make it 17 once more. As Mark Yee, his presence has been really felt by Manila.
Oo.
Saraw backing down. Yes, sir. Note as of this moment, but you can assume that there really is that effect.
Oo.
Oh, nice pass. CBC onto Raba Al-Husseini. Mark Yee. Cross court. John Ray, catch and fire. Bombs away.
Ibaba nila ng 7 entering the fourth. Oo.
So that would already actually be tough. But let's see if Manila can respond. Paulo Castro, nice backdoor.
Play like that, yung alam mo yung grabe yung sharing ng kanilang basketball eh. That's the 28 the assist again. That's another assist for the play. Doon pa rin ako Doon pa rin ako. Kasi right now, that's the direction right now. Even if you have the most talented team, will not...
Back at it, Enzo Navarro. Enzo up top, Hanapi for three. That's good. His third three-point. The pressure continues. Jello Razon. He caught fire in the first half, and now he continues with it.
Diyan sanay na sanay si Jello.
Hanapi, no good on his latest try. And here's Carl Brian Cruz. Great effort. Manalang onto Jello. Again with a lot of space. It's too easy.
You get Jello starting early in the ball game. Eh, tuloy-tuloy yan. Walang konsensya yan eh. Talagang capable of score.
Tapped and recovered by Parañaque. They go to Mark Yee.
Great pass.
Nice. What a find. Paulo Castro with that extra pass. Mark Yee, not the best of passes though.
Oh,
Mitchell on the other end.
oh, that's okay, almost a walk.
Tough shot. Boy.
Watch out for that cross screen on Sean O'Malley.
Here's Tempra up top. 6 on the shot clock. O'Malley backing down. He loves going right. Kick out to Francis Escondor. Under 90 seconds remaining in the third. Francis will fire. Lefty three-pointer. Connect.
Things are so... When all things are going your way. Ayan ang magiging tendency talaga.
Havilona, nice spinaroo, and he converts the lead in this game. Leon Martel, one guy at the corner. Big three. Yes! The Crespo. Coach Louis, our quarter scoring.
And first two quarters all Parañaque, but itong Manila came back with a big 30 points. Hindi mawala sa ginawa nila is in that third quarter they only gave up 30 ng court mo.
Didat Hanapi, one of those shooters, misfires. John Ray up ahead. One guy to beat. Villanueva going right. He scores.
He knows
13 points to his name. Oh, there was an arm. Definitely some driving kick. Paulo fakes and fires. That's short. Rebound, JP Sarao, who threw it to the wrong guy, and that's 2 easy points for Carl Brian. We have ourselves a game. 74-67. Manalang. Going to Jello Razon. He's usually Mr. Clutch for Parañaque. Up top, JP for three. Too strong. Offensive rebound, one-hander. Yes. That's Jello. Rebound, Marquis. That was so hard. Now O'Malley's pressuring Manalang. He gets the steal. Sean O'Malley all the way for two. Nice steal. That's Paulo Havilona. He does not have the numbers. But Paulo still escapes. Just couldn't convert. CBC on the putback.
Philip Manalang together. Kasi alam mo yon, pareho sila kasi defender eh.
Yeah, they're not scorers. Oh, good steal. There's that defense by Bido. Up ahead is Philip Manalang for two. Enzo Navarro, Sean O'Malley, and Carl Brian Cruz. Playing defense for Parañaque are Mark Yee, Philip Manalang, Jello Razon, Keith Bido, and JP Sarao as Manila escapes. It's two Manalang. O'Malley is down. Manalang will continue to slow things down.
And if talking about foul situation, no? Itong Manila, 3 fouls. Ito na mga Parañaque, sila 4 fouls to give.
9 on the shot clock, off of the switch. Manalang dancing, kicking that ball out. Jello Razon, 4 on the shot clock. Jello still has it. He leans in and scores.
Will play. Talagang team plays na, hindi na individual lang.
Well, you've been throwing out the word cohesion for today. Here's the second try from Manila. CBC scores the lead. So here's Paulo Havilona. This is a big one. Three-pointer is good. The lead is 2. Parañaque will hope for a clean one here. No turnovers. And there's the foul by Didat Hanapi. So Bido has been in this situation before. Clutch free throws. Can he deliver? First one is no good. That's what happened.
Let's see kung paano nila gagamitin yun. If Keith Pido makes his free throw.
No good.
Ayun.
Marquis gets the board. He's on the ground. And will it be a jump ball? Seconds. Enzo Navarro. There's Keith Pido getting physical with him. 7 seconds.
Sean O'Malley.
There's the roll. O'Malley! And that doesn't go in! Battle for the rebound. And there's a foul.
If they wanted to be sure, they missed the second one, but put a good rebounder down low.
First free throw is good for Marquis.
This is a strong Manila team, huh?
Oh, yes. That's it. A 2-possession game. And Parañaque will win on its first home court defense in the MPBL's 6th